Once again to this episode of construction tips. Okay, so today I want us to look at a very important aspect in the field of construction. It says master footing rebar on site, step by step design matching guide. Okay, so design matching guide is the key. Do you understand me? As we are looking at this structural design that I have just sketched here, we'll be matching it with this reinforcement that has been done at site. So this is a critical examination, it's a critical explanation of structural aspects of this footing. Yeah, the column base. Do you understand me? So I want you to pay attention very well. Do you understand me? Okay. You can see the reason why we decided to focus on column base details. Column base, which entails is the footing, is the major aspect of any structure. Okay, if you are using columns, there must be column base. It's just like the bedrock of any structure. If you don't know how to do your column base very well, if you make any mistake in interpreting your column base details, if you make any mistake in carrying out your column base or installing it, there might be problem at that structure. That structure might not last through the test of time. That is the reason why it is necessary for you to pay attention. And I have decided to bring out this column base. I have seen a lot of workmen, possible quacks, and even some people that call themselves professionals. They do make mistake about this column base. Okay, though not everyone, there are still professionals. I'm not talking about quack. Whenever I see them interpreting this column base, I begin to shake my head. Most people do make a lot of mistakes, and in fact, this mistake, if you make any mistake in this column base, is going to affect the structure in the long run. That's the reason why you might be seeing cracks on the wall. That's the reason why, in fact, the building might even collapse. So anything can happen. All the resources being invested in that structure might just be a waste. If you make any mistake in your column base, in fact, you have destroyed that structure entirely. Because column base is the major aspect of the structural component that carries the structure. Okay? The columns transfer the weight of the structure to the column base. That is the reason why you have to design your column base very well. Okay? So I'm telling you this thing because of the kind of necessity of this column base. Do you understand me? So, as you can see, this structure, I want you to, this structural design I have just sketched here, okay? So that is it. So, just like I'm telling you, as you can see, I have just sketched these column base details here. Please, can you zoom this thing for me? Okay? I hope you can see it. This is much similar to what we normally see in our structural drawing. Do you understand me? So I decided to sketch it here so that I will explain it nitty-gritty. Okay? I'm going to match it with the already made reinforcement so that you will understand it better. Okay? This is just like a typical column based details, structural details. Okay, so I want you to pay attention very well. Do you understand me? Okay, so as you can see, just like our title said, master footing rebar on site, design matching guide. I have explained this thing before. This column based details. Okay, what you're seeing is the sketch of the column base. Okay, the size. This column base is just a square column base. Do you understand me? So I want you to pay attention. So the small box here shows the column itself. This place will be the column itself. So I want you to watch. Okay, as you can see, this one is the bars that will go this way, and these ones, okay, that will bar these bars that will be on top. So all right, these ones will serve as the bottom bar. This particular one will serve as the bottom bar. This one will serve as the top bar. Okay, bottom bars, top bars. Nevertheless, the description, the details of the bottom bars and the top bars, they are the same thing, because it's just a square column base. Do you understand me? So as you can see, so this is what, just bring the camera here. This is what I'm trying to say. Okay, look at it. Hope you are seeing it. Do you understand me? These bars are just returned up here, and this one that went this way are these ones that goes up. Okay, these ones, that is what it signifies. This is how they normally do column base. Okay, there must be the ones that will be bent, and we think like it will go up like this. Okay, so all right, if you are an enthusiast in the field of construction, a builder or an engineer, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have many construction tips for you. Okay, more are still coming. Please also, if you know someone that might be interested in this video, you can as well share it to them so that they can learn as well. Okay, please let me see your likes, your comments in the comment section. Do you understand me? I have a lot of construction tips for you. Okay, so let's go on. Thank you. So 6, you are seeing here, assuming you're on site and you want to direct the fitter man on what to do, because as you are maybe you are a foreman at site, or an engineer or a builder, you have to direct them very well. Tell the fitter man, otherwise they are called iron bender. In layman description, they are called iron bender. Okay, so you have to direct them very well. Do you understand me? Assuming you are seeing this thing you are drawing, 6Y12. 6 here, it means that possibly the bottom bars is going to have 6 bars. Y here is the high yield. High yield. This is a type of strength of reinforcement that is being sold in the market. Okay, it's called high yield. The strength of it is just high yield steel. Okay, that is this Y. So 6 bars, I want you to watch. Bring me the camera. Okay, bottom bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come this way so that you get it very well. So that's 6 bars you are seeing. You make sure that you are fitter man, otherwise your iron bender, do it very well. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the same thing applicable to the top bars. This is the top bars. Okay, just bring the camera. Look at it. The top bars still have the same thing. This arrow, this sketch, signifies the crossing bars, possibly the bottom bars. Okay, this one is a sign of the reinforcement. Okay, bottom bars, and this arrow that went this way, pinpointing here, is giving description. This write-up is giving description, particularly on these bars. This one, are you getting me? Then this particular bars, this is sign of bar, okay? Bent bar. I hope you are seeing it. Then this arrow that pinpointed here, it shows that this write-up is giving description particularly on this particular bar only, okay? Because this is where the pointer is. It's giving description on this particular bar, okay? So that you will not make any mistake. This one is giving description for this particular bar. This is sign of bar, bottom bars and top bars. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Okay, so I have shown you that there are 6 bars. Y is high yield, 12 is 12 mm. Bring the camera. What we use here is 12 mm, okay? For our basket, it's called basket, our footing. Hope you can see it, okay? Hope you can see it very well. Do you understand me? We use 12 mm rod, high yield. Do you understand me? So these are the things, after observing it from your structural design, and you make sure you carried it out and implement it. Then this 150 here is the spacing. This spacing, you have to space it very well. Do you understand me? Make sure you are telling your filter man and you are checking it, you are supervising it, you are cross-checking it with your tape and everything, so that you make sure that all the due process, the specifications are being followed on site. So that is it. Okay? Now, I hope you are seeing it. 150. I hope you are seeing it. $150. Okay? So you have to check whether your person is doing the right thing. Do you understand me? I hope you are seeing it. So you check this way, you check the other way, check, but it's not the most you will check all of them. You have already given your description to your filter man, and you just come around and just cross-check, supervise to ensure that specifications are being followed, okay? That the specifications are being followed is very, very necessary. So that is 150, this person. Do you understand me? So that's all. So the top bars, 6Y12, 150. So this thing is not so easy, so difficult. Even if you are an enthusiast in the field of construction, you can learn these things, okay? You can learn it. So all right, let's go on. So as you can see, this is my basket. The length and the width of the basket is 800. I hope you can see it, okay? 800 millimeter. Do you understand me? It means 0.8 meter, okay? The length, possible the width, okay? The length and the width. Since it is a square basket footing, it should be 800 by 800. So look at it. Check it. Hope you can see it. Hope you are seeing it. Okay. So that is it. Check it this way. Hope you are seeing it. So that is it. This side is 800 as well. Hope you are seeing it. So it's a square footing, okay? So that's what I'm telling you. That is it. This 225 here is the column itself. Okay. Then this remaining one, once you position the column at the center, you'll be left with these figures. Do you understand me? So here, this 100 here is the blinding of the footing, okay, you will carry out when you are digging or when you are installing your column base. Do you understand me? This is the blinding, okay. This 300 here is about 1 foot, the depth of the column base, okay, after blinding when you place it. Do you understand me? So this point here is when you are looking at these column baskets like this. Come this way. Come here. It's when you are looking at, I have told you that those points, maybe you are seeing it, is the side view. It is the side view of this column basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you are seeing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these dots. Maybe you might be seeing it. So look at it. It's the side view. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you are looking at it by the side, that's what it entails. Okay. So that is it. Before you install your column base, you make sure the specification according to design, the structural design of the footing details are in order. As the supervisor, as an engineer, as a foreman, the builder at site, you make sure all the process are done very well. Okay, the filter man, otherwise known as the iron bender, that he did the right thing. As you can see, this is my basket. The reinforcement, it has been done. Okay, according to the specifications, everything fully done. I hope you can see it. This is just a square basket which I will soon install. Okay, so that is it. So if you like this video, please, I want you to subscribe, and there might be people that might be interested in this video to learn these things. Make sure you share it to them. Let me see your thoughts on comment section. Thank you very much.